Hi, I'm Simon from Ferret, and before we start this video, I want to ask you to subscribe down below to stay updated on the latest, greatest, most awesome content on the space of YouTube. Let's get cracking with the video. That was very fast. Okay, so this is the Inatec SC01006 USB-C hub with a lot of ports, as you can see. So this small hub has a USB 3.0 SD card reader, micro SD card reader, gigabit Ethernet interface, HDMI port which goes up to 4K, VGA port and USB Type-C port as well. So it's very easy. This small USB-C to USB-C cable can be stored inside this thing, so no cables hanging around. And the two USB 3.0A ports have 5 gigabytes per second bandwidth, and they are compatible with 2.0 and 1.1 as well. So I've used a lot of these things already in my career when making videos and all that stuff with a MacBook Pro, of course, because you only have USB-C. And this is very nice because you have, of course, these two regular USB 3.0 inputs, an Ethernet input, which you don't have a lot, a 4K HDMI input, a VGA port, which is also not that common, and a regular USB-C for power, of course, and the micro SD and the regular SD card readers, which is awesome because if you edit videos, this is very cool to have. So let's just plug this in and see if this works, because sometimes you need to connect to Ethernet in order to make everything work, because it doesn't connect that well and all that stuff, and that's not that nice. So let's see if it works without connecting to, not Ethernet, I said Ethernet, without connecting to the power nets. So this works immediately, as you can see. So this 8-in-1 USB-C driver comes in around $60, which is not that cheap, but you have a lot of ports, and it's also very sturdy, full metal, and works very fast and very nice. So I can't say any bad things about this. Maybe the VGA port, which is not really necessary for me. Maybe it could have been a DisplayPort instead of VGA port. That's the only thing. But overall, this is a very nice device. And if you're looking for a good USB-C port, check out the Inatec USB-C driver, 8-in-1. Alright, so if you have any questions regarding this product, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very, very glad to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos, and I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.